name is Conrad M. Chisumba, your mathematics lecturer, upcoming mathematics lecturer. Yes, today we're going to run through an introduction to everything that we're going to be covering throughout our mathematics lectures and everything that we're going to be expecting in our lessons. And what are we trying to achieve out of this? We're going to make mathematics work easy for all of you. In case you have problems with mathematics in class, your math teacher doesn't teach you properly, you don't understand what you learn in class, you don't understand anything, you don't understand any stuff, you hardly understand, and you feel afraid to ask the teacher questions and everything, you are free to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be accessing lessons every time I post a new video right here. We are going to open up your mind to make you understand mathematics better and make you develop that interest of wanting to study mathematics more and more and more so that you can get better grades at the end of the day. You don't even so that you may not even think about ever rewriting mathematics again. We are also going to make your mind to think sharp, think big, think mathematically. You see, make you love mathematics. Yeah. What are the targeted audience? We are targeting junior secondary mathematics learners, grade 9. We are targeting O-level mathematics, those we're dealing with grade 10, 11, 12, senior level, senior secondary level, high school. High school again, if there are those who are taking addition mathematics, ADMA, popularly known as ADMA, we haven't neglected you. You guys, we care for you as well. General mathematics, if you want to be a mathematics teacher, a degree, diploma in mathematics, here is the work. We have also covered you. We've prepared different stuff for you and many things. Calculus learners, calculus 1, 2, and 3. We are going to cater for all of you as well. We've prepared more and more and more. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Even when you are studying, you search a topic, make sure that you look for results from here, from my videos, and take a watch everything that we are going to be explaining, giving explanations in a clear and elaborate form. I will be speaking very slowly while teaching so that you understand all the steps, step by step, every problem that we're going to be solving in mathematics. Yeah, we care for you a lot. For grade 9s, what are you going to expect from what we are doing? We are going to talk about sets, integers, basic processes of algebra, approximations and estimations, fractions, coordinates, measurements, equations and inequations. We are going to learn how to derive formulas, different from basics of these topics all the way up to solving problems and complex problems. We have also gone further. We're going to cover everything: shapes and symmetry, angles, number bases, matrices, squares and square roots, simultaneous equations. We're going to look at all the methods they teach you: graphical, elimination, substitution, and further. If they teach you even we are even going to show you how to solve using matrices, so that when you go to senior level, you don't have any problems doing this. Those who will write Olympiads at JETS and different stuff, we're going to help you solve hard questions that many pupils usually go through. Many problems. Yeah. Statistics, everything, time, distance, and speed. Don't worry. Seniors, grade 12s, We're going to flash you back from grade 10 first, groom you, relations and functions, all the way through algebra, angles, matrices, equations, sequences and series, first topic in grade 11, over the way through circles and properties of a circle, those tricky questions, ratios and proportions, variation, don't forget, algorithms and flowcharts. Yeah, these things for computers, they just introduced this in the Zambian syllabus. Tizawapita apo ICZ tonse to matrix twawo tetuziba. We will help you. Trigonometry, all those sine rule, cosine rule, blah 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 blah. Solving angles, solving problems of angles using trigonometry. We'll teach you SOHCAHTOA thingy, mensuration, finding the volume of a sphere, surface area, prism, cone, helix, all those things. We'll teach you probability, transformation, enlargement, shear, stretch, translation, rotation. Don't worry, reflection, we'll pass through all those stuff. Linear programming, earth geometry, another problematic topic to many people. We're going to cover that one as well. For methods, the additional mathematics. Yeah, these ones. We're going to take you back to grade 10 first, teach you the basic stuff about coordinates, the coordinate system, Cartesian coordinates. We're going to touch simultaneous equations, all the methods of solving simultaneous equations. We will learn in our lessons. All the lecture series, we'll have them. We'll be posting videos, at least 2 videos in a week, so that you follow step by step, starting from after next week. Yeah, functions, binomials, radian measure, trigonometry, even compound angles, harmonic form, all those things, we're going to talk about them. Don't worry. Remainder and factor theorem, solving cubic equations, factorizing cubic functions. Arithmetic and geometric progressions, tricky topic, but it looks simple but tricky. Permutations and combinations, those things that we used to argue with teachers with at school. We're going to help you. Calculus differentiation, integration, all those advanced stuff. Implicit differentiation, all the way up to natural logarithms. We will go further into that. Even syllabus D, we will explain some stuff about calculus in syllabus D. Don't worry. What else? General mathematics. This one is for those people who will be studying mathematics in colleges, who are studying mathematics in colleges and universities as natural science and everything, or A level, whatever you call them. We'll teach you right from the start. If you are a teacher of mathematics, fractions, integers, indices, and engineering notation, computer number system. We're talking about number bases, even the hexadecimal and base 16. We'll go into that further. Algebra, we'll look at algebra, everything about algebra, including the advanced one. Talk about polynomials in advanced, partial fractions. We'll teach you how to put a single fraction into 2 different or 3 different fractions, by addition and subtraction, all those methods. So many stuff that we're going to learn about. And we're also going to learn about transposition formulas, functions and their graphs, from linear functions all the way up to quadratic, cubic, quitic, exponential, logarithmic, everything. We're going to draw the graphs, trigonometric graphs, everything. We're going to plot, to learn how to plot graphs for all those things. Binomial series, we're even going to go with those with negative powers and fraction powers. We'll learn about all those things. What else? The circle. mensuration, areas of plane figures, volumes and surface areas, everything we're going to talk about them. Areas of irregular figures, those that don't have a definite shape, how to find their areas, we'll talk about them. The circle and its properties, how to find the center of a circle, the equation of a circle, the directrix, all those stuff we will learn and teach you. We'll show you how to find those and solve their different type of problems involving those. Trigonometry, we're going to talk about trigonometry in much detailed way here. Cartesian and polar coordinates, how to convert from Cartesian to polar coordinates, all these things, and back to Cartesian. We'll teach you, we'll show you. Vectors, complex numbers, real number system, complex number system, those things, plotting graphs for those, we're going to show you and everything. Statistics, matrices, probability, types of distribution in statistics and probability, methods of differentiation and their applications, methods of integration and their applications. Nishwapuisha wasenda na diploma kobe, even go home smiling. Yeah. Calculus 1, we're going to learn review functions and everything and their graphs, do limits and everything about differentiation. We're going to tackle it in a much advanced and detailed way, solving hard questions involving those and their applications. Don't worry, we are coming for you. Calculus 2, we're going to talk about integration in detail, everything. Calculus 3, we're going to talk about the 3D coordinate system. We're going to talk about integrating and differentiating equations involving two or more variables, okay? Not just the x variable or y variable. We're going to talk about the x, y, z or x, y, z, how to differentiate and integrate, and the applications, finding the maximum extrema and minimum extrema, 3D coordinate system involving the xyz plane. We're talking about the xyz plane of floating points in the space. You see, all those stuff. We're going to talk about them. The stuff, my differential equations, all those things. We'll talk about them. No forgetting. What else are we supposed to talk about? Nishapowapo pia nishwapia mathematics. You are hot. So wishing you all the best, you guys. Just if you see this video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, as you will be waiting for more videos to come. Anticipate more videos to come. We'll be posting at least 2 videos a day from 2 different topics to talk about. Yeah, so many stuff. All right, have a nice day and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.